Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up your Lenovo IdeaPad 5 without Microsoft account. If you don't want to set it up with Microsoft account, you shouldn't connect to internet. And if you already have, then walk away from the router or turn the router off so you just lose the connection. Now, you probably won't have this I don't have internet button. So let's bring it up. To do it, click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard, then click on the top row of this black window. If the black window didn't show up, instead of Shift and F10, click on Shift, Fn and F10. Now, just type in OOBE \bypass and row. It wasn't a backslash. This is a backslash. And I'm gonna zoom that in for you so you can see. Click on enter and it will restart your device. Once it restarts your device, you'll have an option to set up your device without, to just click on I don't have internet. I already had it because I mistakenly entered the I don't have the command earlier before recording this video, but you probably didn't have the I don't have internet button, so we're just making it available. Now the laptop is restarted, select the country or region, then click on yes, select the keyboard layout or input method. Now I'm gonna skip the second one and you have the I don't have internet button, so click on that. Then create the name for the local user. I also advise setting up a password, which I'm not gonna do right now, but feel free to enter it, then re-enter it after clicking on next, and then answer to 3 security questions and make sure you answer to them truthfully, so you just don't forget the answers to them, because these security questions will be used in order to restore your account later if you forget the password. Then some privacy settings, as you've seen a moment ago. You can of course read them on your own and select based on your preferences, and now wait until your account gets set up, which I'm gonna show you when it's done. Now my account is set, so that's all for today. Feel free to connect to Wi-Fi now, because later on maybe it'll send you a notification about connecting to Microsoft account, but it's not mandatory anymore. That's all for today, bye!